What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to get a referral code on Tapswap application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the My Account section on the bottom of your screen. Here you see REF, which is the abbreviation or small short form of referral. In my referral, you will see an invite link which says 2.5k coins per share as a free gift for the first time. For example, all I have to do is to copy it. Once you will copy it, all you have to do is to go back to your Telegram. For example, I can text message this code to anybody I would like to. For example, I would like to send the text message to this person. All I have to do is to copy this code and send it. So if this person joins the Tapswap application using my link, so it will get 2.5k shares as a first time gift. So all you have to do is to get this link. I will attach this link in the description of this video. So once you go and open up this application using this link, you will get 2.5k coins as a first time opening gift. So that's a gift from me to you side. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.